CBSE class 10 question number 1. Two poles of height P meters and Q meter are standing vertically on a level ground and a meter apart. Prove that the height of the point intersections of the line segment joining the top of each pole to the foot of the opposite pole is given by PQ by P plus Q meter. This question has come from CBSE in the year 2011. Very important question. Let us solve it. Solutions of this question. Or answer of this question. Okay. So suppose this is one pole AB. Height of the pole is equal to P meter, and another pole EC, height of the pole is equal to Q meter given, and point of intersection is equal to O. O is the point of intersection. Draw a perpendicular line DO to BC. BC is ground. This is your ground, and so length of the ground BC is equal to 1 meter. B to C, one pole to another pole, distance is 1 meter. Suppose BD is equal to A meter, small a meter, and DC is equal to small b meter. So this is your top of one pole and bottom of second pole. Joining line is AC, and this is your top of another pole and bottom of other pole is equal to B point. So line of joining is equal to BC intersecting at the point O. So draw perpendicular OD to BC. This is your O point. Okay, this is O point. So let us prove it. So now we take triangles ABC and triangle CDO triangle and CAB or ABC triangle. In two triangles, C is the common angle for both the triangles. Therefore, angle C is equal to common angle for both triangles. For both triangles, C is the common angle, and angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Since it is a pole AB is vertically upward to the ground. Ground is BC, and this is perpendicular to OD is perpendicular to BC according to construction. Therefore, two angles in two triangles, angle C is common angle, angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle CDO. Since two triangles are similar, therefore side of the corresponding ratio will be same. Therefore, we can write x. Suppose OD is equal to x meter. This is x meter. Or you can write OD, or so therefore x by P. Here x this side by this side is equal to B by B plus A. B by B plus A. Here CDO and CAB are similar triangle. Therefore, OD by AB is equal to CD by CB. Here CD by CB. This is your equation suppose 1. Now and take another triangle, two triangles, triangles B E C, and in triangle B D O, B D O and B C E. In two triangles, angle B is equal to common angle for both triangles. Angle B is equal to common angle for both triangles, and angle here D is equal to D means suppose this is angle 1 is equal to angle C means angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Since they are vertically upward, this is a pole EC which is vertically upward to the ground. This is a ground vertically upward. Okay, so we can tell angle 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, two triangles BEC similar triangle BDO. Since two triangles are similar, therefore corresponding side of the ratio will be same. Therefore, we can write x by q is equal to, here this is a, this distance is equal, suppose a plus b, this by this means this distance is a, BD is equal to suppose a, and this is equal to suppose b. There, this is your equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 plus 2. Equation 1 plus 2 we will get, that is left hand side is equal to x by p plus left hand side of equation 2 is equal to x by q is equal to right hand side is equal to equation 1 b by b plus a, and right hand side of equation 2 is equal to a by a plus b. Or we can write x is common here, x into 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to 1 by q is equal to a plus b LCM by L plus b by a plus b is equal to 1. Or we can write PQ will be LCM. Here this is P plus Q is equal to 1. Or we can write x is equal to PQ by P plus Q meter. Proved. So very important question. So first we have to take two triangles ABC and CDO. Two triangles are similar. This is a common angle, and this is vertically upward, this is vertically upward, this is 90, this is 90. So two triangles are similar, therefore side of the ratio will be same. Therefore BC by CB is equal to OD by AB. Take another two triangles BOD and BEC. Two triangles are similar because B is the common for both the triangles, and here this is one angle, this is 90, this is 90. So two triangles are similar. Since two triangles are similar, therefore ratio of the side will be same. Ratio means BD by BC is equal to DO by EC. Then we will get equation 1 and 2. Just add the equation 1 and 2, and this x by p and plus x by q is equal to b by p plus q. X by p is plus x by q is equal to b by b plus a by a plus b. X is common here. P 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to this b a plus b और b plus a LCM, तो b plus a by b plus a is equal to cancel out 1 और x is equal to p plus q by p q और x is equal to p q by p plus q meter. Very important question. This question has come from CBSE in the year 2011. Let us solve next question.